Hi, this is Jared with Black Rock Underground. Today's date is March 12th, 2025. We're doing a post-sanitary sewer inspection at the property address of 6909 Southeast Taggart Street. We're going to be entering the newly installed 4-inch ABS cleanout near the front door. Walkway. Here's the newly installed cleanout. To get down to the bottom of the cleanout, I currently have water running through the P-trap. I'm going to zero the foot counter. Now continue. Here we are in the newly installed 4-inch ABS. Here we transition in the 4-inch HDPE. And then here we are at the end of the repair. This is hooking on back to the existing 4-inch cast iron. Now I'm going to continue down to the main. And then here we are at the main. I'm going to pause the video, let the water drain, and then we'll pull back to clean out the house. Now that I let the water drain, we'll start pulling back. Here we are in their existing 4-inch cast iron. Here we are at the end of our repair. This is 4-inch HDPE. Here we transition to 4-inch ABS. And then here we are coming back out to clean out. Here we are back outside to clean out in front of the house. This inspection was done with a rigid push cam with a 1-inch lens and no skids. Everything is in working order. This will conclude my video. Thank you.